What's the meaning of BO? BO. BO.
BO. BO. The meaning of BO can vary depending on the context in which it is used. In some contexts, BO may refer to a body odor, which is the unpleasant smell that emanates from a person's body due to sweat and bacteria. In other contexts, it may refer to a business owner, which is someone who owns and operates a business. Additionally, BO may be an abbreviation for other terms such as backorder, budget overrun, or board observer. Overall, the meaning of BO is dependent on the context in which it is being used and can have different meanings in different situations.